is so good to be here today, You've kept this love going for 15 years. I salute you, all of you. Like Lillian said, we've been through so much in this time, especially Jackie, because you guys all know. Today I salute you for the woman that you are. You inspire a lot of us in so many ways on how strong you have come back. I'm so proud of you, Jackie. But we cannot start this show without recognizing the person who started this, the person who trained us. We are who we are because of the amazing human being called Steve Jim. Steve Jim. We can't start this show without recognizing him. Steve Yaturaba, from the very beginning, I remember he picked me up in a small place in Kabaragala called Chukubamutwe. He picked me up from there and he's like, you have to go for these auditions. You really have to go. And he came with his car bumping everywhere in the ghettos, trying to bring me for the audition. So I can't start this show without recognizing him. I don't know if you see or not, I'm saying it from my heart. We appreciate you, Steve G. Thank you so much.
Shout out Steve G!
Are you guys ready to start the show? Okay.
I think for this one, I would love to recognize this gentleman that's coming on stage. He's one of the best, the cream de la cream. And I hope we're going to welcome him, Bolonji. Mule Bolonji! Let's do this. No, has it been that long? No, think about it.
done this in 15 years. Our excitement is more ridiculous. We're more excited than you. So for this moment, I hope you can serenade them, yeah?
Yes, sir.
I think it's time for you to slow down just a little bit.
How about we think about the ladies?
Yes,
You know that it has to be the ladies. You know, ladies can bring a whole economy down.
Or
Or
they can take a whole economy up.
exactly.
Yeah.
So for that matter, if there's any strong ladies in the house, ladies and gentlemen, let's do this.